perfect support. Invented by a woman, Bearlifts makes you look fantastic in everything you wear. Just look at the difference. Whether you're cup size A, B, C, even D, Bearlifts let you defy gravity instantly. The secret is the shape and lift design. Simply place, peel, and gently lift to shape and support for a measurable difference. Bearlift's pain-free adhesive gives you support 24 hours a day, so you look naturally fabulous in any style. And they're water resistant, so you can even wear them in a swimsuit.
Immediately I saw a difference. As soon as I put it on, it was like an instant lift. They come right up, you're perky, I feel young again. I have the freedom to wear anything in my closet, anything.
After I had my children, I was looking for an invisible way to have support. Now I can wear anything from backless halters to evening gowns and not have to worry about a single thing.
Look, you could spend hundreds on specialty bras and bra substitutes that still can't do what Bearlifts can. As part of this special introductory offer, we'll send you 10 Bearlifts